this event, we engage the students with the scholarship activities, and we use the World Cup as an opportunity for us to create a competition where the students really engage and participate in, and they were very excited.
أنا actually top 9 بس هلا بحس أشطت.
I still have a chance فبدي أشوف إذا حأربح أو لا.
كرانكينج كتير مش منيح بس إنه بنشوف شو بيصير.
The prizes are very important actually. I didn't expect like the whole 10 prizes to be that important.
So the students were very happy to participate, and at the end, the top participants won awards. So this is a great opportunity for the students to feel appreciated and they're involved in this community, which is the Qatar Scholarship-AUB program at AUB.
هلا عم شجع فرنسا إنه يربحوا.
أرجنتين ما يبلي.
بقول إن شاء الله يربح فرنسا.
صراحة events كتير حلوين وعن جد شيء كتير واو.
I'm grateful for this scholarship.
على هالopportunity الحلوة اللي عطونا إياها.
Actually, it has been amazing. I have participated with more than workshop.
I've met a couple people that I already know before, and now we're sharing new experiences being with the scholarship together.
They made the World Cup much more entertaining and interesting.
We need it after this heavy semester. We did excellent in our final exams, but we really need that break.
We're very happy. We've organized a lot of events this year, and a lot of more events will come in the upcoming 3 remaining years of this project.